we understand fractions as a part or a portion of a whole. Now in this video, you are going to learn what are fractions, where are they used, and how to convert them into decimals and percentages. Let's hit it! Fractions are as important as numbers that you count on in your everyday life. You may count for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and more, but you can even count for 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, and more. Well, you actually use fractions every day. You use them when you're counting all the number of correct items in a test. You're actually using them when you are counting the number of checked items in your checklist and which are not. There are actually three types of fractions. We have the proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed numbers. A proper fraction is a fraction wherein the denominator is higher than the numerator, such as 3/4, 3/7, 5/6, and more. We have also improper fractions wherein the numerator is higher than the denominator. 9/7, 3/2, 5/4. Those are the examples of improper fractions. We also have here mixed numbers. Mixed numbers is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, such as 1 2/3, 1 1/2, and more. Now that you have learned the three types of fractions and their applications, let's proceed with the conversions of fractions to percentages and decimals. Converting fractions to percentage is just very easy because all you need to do is just to perform two easy steps. All you have to do is just convert your fraction to a decimal, then decimal to percentage. Let's start with having your fraction that is 3/4. All you have to do is just to divide that literally. You may not think it's possible, but it actually is. Let's divide it literally. By putting your 3 in the dividend, and then for the divisor, you just have to add zeros to the right, making sure that those zeros would satisfy your divisor. Since your divisor only has one digit, all you have to do is just add 1 0. And then putting a decimal point between 3 and 0 on top of the division sign, making sure that this would define a decimal and the number is below 1. So there's an invisible 0 on the left of the decimal point. Then we proceed with division. In the end, we would get an answer of 0.75. And this 0.75 is a decimal. And so we have to convert into a percentage. How do we do that? All you have to do is just to multiply the number by 100 or by simply moving 2 decimal places to the right. And we will get an answer of 75%. Please don't forget to put that percentage sign because that defines a percentage and not anything else. Now we have 75%. This means that 3/4 is 75% out of a whole. Now that you have your fraction converted into a percentage, the question is, can you convert your percentage back into a fraction? The answer is yes. You can convert your percentage back into a fraction by not even undergoing the process of converting your percentage into a decimal first. All you have to do is just having your percentage remove its percentage sign, then making your number be over 100, then simplifying it by making it be divided by the highest possible number that can divide in both the numerator and the denominator of this number. Now since both of them can be divisible or are divisible by 25, then we are going to proceed with the 25. Now, 75 divided by 25 will give an answer of 3, and 100 divided by 25 will give an answer of 4. And there you have it, 3/4. Your percentage was converted into a fraction directly. How about percentage into a decimal? You can actually do that also. All you have to do is just to divide your percentage by 100, removing also its percentage sign. Or you can also move 2 decimal places to the left, and you're going to have an answer of 0.75. And there you have it. It's just very easy. Next time, we are going to learn about numbers lower than 0. Hi guys, let me know about your fraction and its answer is converted to decimal percentage form right now in the comments below. If you guys like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, then subscribe, follow, and share my video to all your friends for more of my Math Magic videos. See you guys next time for another video of Math Magic.